Whoa, is that real or is it photoshopped? But what does photoshopped even really mean? Stay tuned as I explain some of the endless ways you can use Photoshop for just about any creative project. Hi everyone, my name is Rosie Sue and I am a content creator and Adobe trainer from New Zealand.
Chances are you've heard of Photoshop. It's become so mainstream that even its name is often used as a verb in our daily conversation. In a nutshell, Photoshop is the pick of the bunch when it comes to software applications. Photoshop is the world's best imaging and graphic design software, and at its core of just about every creative project, from photo editing to compositing to digital painting, animation, and graphic design. Photoshop is used for a whole array of things such as editing images, manipulating images, creating web backgrounds, and even creating frame animations. Photoshop is used for editing photos, such as correcting images, amending the hue and saturation of images for instance, and playing with the color and effects. Some other tools you can use for photo editing and compositing are clear cutting, cropping, removing objects, retouching, and combining photos. With the integration of our artificial intelligence component, which we call Adobe Sensei, these tasks are made easier more than ever. You can create precise selections of people with just one click. Select Subject automatically detects the person in your portrait and refines the selection to include fine details such as hair. Photographers may use Lightroom, but the key difference is the workflow. Although Lightroom is better for organization and has the capability of viewing multiple thumbnails and albums, Photoshop allows you to utilize layers and filters, for instance. In Photoshop, you can easily do a batch resize or create an action so you can watermark a whole folder of images in a matter of minutes. While Photoshop is popular among photographers, as mentioned, Photoshop is not just for photography. Many other disciplinaries use Photoshop to apply all kinds of treatment, whether that's leveraging features such as content-aware fill, which we have improved over the years, creating a GIF, and creating original artwork. So that's Photoshop, a versatile program that's popular across a wide range of disciplines. What are you waiting for? Start your journey with Photoshop